What if I told you that the secret to the most incredible, juicy, and flavor-packed chicken you've ever had is sitting in your pantry right now? Forget everything you thought you knew about cooking chicken. Today, we're making something that will blow your mind. And it all starts with a very unexpected ingredient. No, it's not some fancy spice or expensive marinade. It's something simple, something you probably have for breakfast. Intrigued? You should be. Stick around, because this recipe is a game changer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, what's this magic ingredient? It's yogurt. That's right, plain old yogurt. We're going to make my ultimate yogurt marinated spiced chicken. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to dry, boring chicken again. The lactic acid in the yogurt works wonders. It gently tenderizes the meat without making it mushy, locking in all the moisture and creating a super succulent texture. It's pure food science and it's delicious. So let's get started. First, you'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I prefer thighs because they're more flavorful and forgiving, but chicken breasts work too. Just be mindful of the cooking time. Cut them into bite-sized pieces, about 1.5 inches. Pop them into a large bowl. Now for the star of the show, the marinade. To our chicken, we're going to add 1 cup of plain, full-fat yogurt. Don't use the sweetened or flavored kind. We want that natural tang. Next up, the spices. This is where the magic really happens. We'll need 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika for that gorgeous color and smoky depth, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric for a beautiful golden hue and earthy notes, a teaspoon of ground coriander, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Feel free to adjust the cayenne to your liking. We're not done yet. Let's add 4 cloves of minced garlic and about a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. The aroma is already incredible, right? Now add the juice of 1 whole lemon. This brightens everything up and works with the yogurt to tenderize the chicken. Finally, a good drizzle of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, and a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, get in there with your hands or a spoon if you prefer and give it a really good mix. Make sure every single piece of chicken is completely coated in that glorious marinade. Look at that color. That's the color of flavor, my friends. Now, cover the bowl and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 4 hours. If you have the time, letting it sit overnight is even better. The longer it marinates, the more flavor gets infused into the meat. Alright, our chicken has been marinating and it looks and smells absolutely divine. Now, let's talk about cooking. You have a few options here. You can skewer them and grill them for a beautiful char, pan-sear them for a crispy crust, or even bake them in the oven. Today, I'm going to pan-sear them because it's quick, easy, and gives an amazing texture. Get a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a little bit of oil. Once the pan is nice and hot, we're going to add the chicken pieces. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if you have to. We want to sear the chicken, not steam it. You should hear that beautiful sizzle as soon as it hits the pan. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until the chicken is golden brown and cooked through. The marinade will create this incredible crust on the outside while the inside stays unbelievably tender and juicy. The smell in my kitchen right now is just out of this world. Once it's cooked, transfer the chicken to a plate and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Look at this masterpiece. The chicken is perfectly charred on the outside, vibrant in color, and I can tell you, it's bursting with moisture. I love to serve this with some warm pita bread, a fresh cucumber and tomato salad, and a little extra yogurt on the side. You can also serve it over rice or quinoa. Let's go in for the taste test. Wow, just wow! The chicken is so incredibly tender it practically melts in your mouth. You get that smokiness from the paprika, the warmth from the cumin and coriander, that little kick from the cayenne, and the bright, tangy finish from the yogurt and lemon. It's a flavor explosion. This yogurt marinated spiced chicken is perfect for a weeknight dinner, a weekend barbecue, or even for meal prep. It's healthy, it's packed with flavor, and it's so easy to make. You absolutely have to give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're as excited about this recipe as I am. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more game-changing recipes, make sure to hit that like button And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a delicious upload. Let me know in the comments if you try it. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!